Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the Pippit AI, like is it really useful or is it worth it if you buy it, and what are the benefits and what is the stuff. So as you can see, like this is the homepage pippit.capcut.com. Now this is linked to the CapCut as well. So right now I'm in the homepage and they're offering like marketing videos, avatar videos, AI talking videos, product photo and AI design. So these are all the features that it can create right now. And on the left side you can see creation option, which is like video generator, like if you want to generate the AI videos or you want to attach the media, and you could just give it the description like what do you want to create, and it will basically start creating something related to your like video. And image studio is basically if you want to, as you can see, like these are the images for the products that the people listed. This is some kind of perfume, and this is the perfume, and this is some kind of shower or something like that. So lotions and oils, and as you can see, like these are the product images, which are pretty good, pretty decent if you like look at it. But there are also some other tools which are offering this kind of things as well. So at the end we'll also talk about the pricing plans, like is it really worth it, and if you want to remove background, if you want to add AI background, AI design, upscale the image. So these are all the options that are currently supported by the Pippit, which are pretty good. So this is basically kind of a all-in-one package for editing and creation as well. Now in the inspiration section, so you will see all the trending like videos related to your niche as well. As you can see, you can select trending on TikTok. You can just search the query related to, like let's say you want to make a video related to technology. You can just search this keyword tech, and basically it will show you all the results that are trending. So you can create the similar stuff on the Pippit AI as well. Now avatars and voices, this is basically the section like you video to avatar. You just need to upload your video and it will basically create an avatar like this one, and list it into this section, and you can just create the videos afterward. And after that you can just create a photo, like upload a photo as well. And as you can see, like subscribe, like this is included into the premium subscription. You can just subscribe it and it will make an avatar like this one. Otherwise on the third, you can also create the custom voices as well. Like custom voices is basically if you want to create or clone a voice, and then now this is the sample voice they have added. Otherwise you can just create or clone your own voice as well. Now the features are pretty good, and they will not be as perfect as they should be, like because AI is still developing, and this will also upgrade with time. So as you can see, like these are all the features: video edit, smart crop, quick cut, pretty decent features, and I think these are pretty good. Now if we talk about the plans and pricing, so as you can see, like I am right now on the free trial, and let me just scroll down and just click on buy credits. And as you can see, like this is the basically yearly, which is 4,000 monthly in my country, which will be auto like near to 15-14 dollars in your country as well. And they are giving us the 1,800 credit per month. You can just add 200 extra as well. So now it depends that how much credit do they cost when you try to create videos or stuff like that. So the features are pretty good, and I think if you really want to, like if you really want to try it, you can just try it for a month, and they will not be as perfect, but they will be something better, and that will basically keep improving with time. So that is all about the Pippit AI. So you should try it as well if you want to.